Hello, Mr. Housel here. This video is for Chapter 8 Test Prep, Exponents and Functions. We're working on EO15, Scientific Notation, which involves exponents. So write the following in scientific notation. So what we're looking at now is standard form. It's a lot of zeros, sometimes it's even hard to figure out how many zeros it is so I can compare it with something else. So scientists like to write things in scientific notation. It's shorter, but it also makes it easier to compare because you really can't tell how many zeros there are. So the idea is to get this in this format. A times 10 to the b exponent. So my a value has to be between 1 and 10. I'm multiplying by 10 because the base 10 will help me move my decimal. And then I'm going to put in the exponent there. In this case, I'm working with a really, really small number, so I should end up with a negative exponent. I'm going to need to move that decimal to the right, okay, to get it back to where I need it to be. So I'm going to try to get this a value, which is a number between 1 and 1 and 10, the absolute value of 1 and 10. So I'm going to move that decimal all the way to here, because 5.37 is between 1 and 10. If I put it here, that's 53, that doesn't work. Put it all the way over there, that's 537. That's not between 1 and 10. So I need 5.37. So I know that is where I'm going to end up. Multiply by 10. I just don't know what this exponent is going to be, other than I know it's going to be negative. I just don't know how many spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our answer. That's how I go from standard form to scientific notation. Easier for doing comparisons, which one's bigger, which one's smaller. Also easier for doing any math operations as if I have it in standard form or scientific notation.